Moscow, located in the heart of Russia, is a vibrant and culturally rich city offering a unique blend of history, architecture, and modernity. As the capital and largest city of Russia, Moscow is not only a political and economic center, but also a major tourist destination. For travelers who want to experience tradition and modernity in one place, Moscow offers the perfect combination. The city's panorama is adorned with futuristic high-rise buildings that harmoniously juxtapose with historical structures. This juxtaposition creates a visually exciting atmosphere that reflects Moscow's evolving identity, striving for progress and preserving its heritage. Moscow is also known for its thriving tourism industry. With numerous museums, art galleries, theaters, and cultural events held throughout the year, there is always something to see or do in this bustling metropolis. From world-class ballet performances at the Bolshoi Theater to exploring historical artifacts at the State Historical Museum, there are limitless opportunities for cultural enrichment. Whether you're interested in history or contemporary art, Moscow has something to offer everyone. A diverse selection of attractions will satisfy all interests and preferences. From exploring ancient cathedrals to traditional Russian cuisine or enjoying panoramic views from observation decks, travelers will find a wealth of experiences awaiting them.